I never toss out vegetable scraps. I save them up in the freezer, and when I have enough, I'll make a stock. My butcher luckily gifted me these bones. I added a couple chicken legs, covered with cold water, added some spices, and brought it up to a boil. I let it just simmer on low for several hours before separating out the vegetable scraps. Putting the chicken aside for later, and I'm seasoning the broth with salt and vinegar at the end so I can control the flavor. Now this is going to go into separate containers, one into the freezer and then the rest into the fridge so I can cook with it throughout the week. That evening, I fried up some mushrooms with some onions, some bok choy and cabbage, added white beans and a little bit of miso, and my flavorful broth to a boil, and I had a hearty yet filling vegetable stew that was a part of my dinner. Link in bio for written recipe, nutrition info, and lots of other stuff.